हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। टुडे बैक विद अनदर व्लॉग। तो यहाँ मैं घर पड़ी ऑटो में चली अपने हॉलीडेज़ को एंजॉय करने। यप। सो हम लोग आए एटीएम से पैसा निकालने क्योंकि हम लोग की जेब है खाली। सो वी वेंट टू एडी मॉल। लेट्स सी, यहाँ पे तो अभी भी क्रिसमस की डेकोरेशन हुई पड़ी है। सो खैर, अब हम लोग को जाना था ऊपर अपस्टेयर्स, पर उससे पहले मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ मैक्स। But now we don't have to visit Max, we have to visit something new on it. So let's go. यहाँ मैं अपनी बेकार शक्ल दिखाते हुए हम लोग ऊपर पहुँच चुके हैं। अब हम लोग जाने वाले हैं अपनी डेस्टिनेशन पे, जो है मिस्टर DIY। हेलो। सो ये अंकल को देखो, मुझे घूर घूर के देखे जा रहे हैं। सो अब लोग आ गए हैं परचेज में रिव्यू करने सारे किचन अराइवल्स। सो ये तो बहुत अमेजिंग हैं और यूज़फुल हैं। यहाँ पे सब कुछ है गाइस। एंड दिस ये बॉटल्स आर वेरी प्रिटी एंड क्यूट। आई हैव बाइड वन। वेरी वेरी ब्यूटिफुल कलर एंड क्वालिटी। दिस कप्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी वंडरफुल। ऑल गुड गाइस। bulbs, DIY bulbs, and this tea eating cups, decorative pens, sleeping bag, very very wonderful. For the next is neck pillow for those who have hurt in his neck. The next we had soft toys. Loved it too much. Pink, blue, all type of soft toys are there. Very very good, awesome. And this vinyl washing umbrellas. And the next is cap that I loved it too much. देखो मैं कितनी अच्छी। एंड ये वुलन कैप्स हैं और फिर हम लगाते हैं, बढ़ते हैं मिरर पास, जो कि है बहुत ही वंडरफुल। तो द नेक्स्ट इज वी हैव wash tapes and stickers. That is mini cutie sticker. I have bought one. At the end I will see you. And the next that I have colorful pens, colorful pencils. These are also very wonderful. Washi bags, personal diaries that I loved it too much. Very pretty and cool it is. The next is we have flower wall. That is very pretty. I have bought one also. The kids soft toys, is hula hoops, badminton, football, and these guns, boy guns, combs. Yeah, very good quality. And wash bags for keeping makeup. And these dude bags are also there. And what the next is we have very clips, beautiful clips, clutcher, and this hairband, scrunchies, bracelet, all were there. Anklet were there also. Very very beautiful store it is. I liked it too much, and I also recommended to go to this store. All you guys are very 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 happy to see this. And what we the next is repairing kit, and these plates, and this clock, artificial flower. These are what I say, these are looking like a real flower. It is very good quality having it. Flower vase for keeping your home beautiful. And these pens are also there. Hanging wire, and the kitchen arrivals, stool. The next we had that the cutie bags, pinging bags, and school bags are also there for children. And the bucket, the storing things container. And I have eaten their burger. Do you know? It is very very tasty. I recommended you to eat. And what the next I ate that fruit punch from not a DIY mall. When I have eaten from, I have brought from DIY this cutie cool keychain, and this cutie mini ice cream sticker. Loved it too much. And this food burger for food. It is very useful. And this is my cutie pinky loofah. I have enjoyed them very much. I recommended you to go there.